So you're welcome to Bookie Tech channel. So for those of us who are coming from a window environment, let's say you want to uninstall software, you know how to do it. For example, in Windows, for example, let me do window arrow, then enter control. So let me come to programs and feature. So these are the programs or software that is running on my computer. So if I just want to install, all I just need to do is to click on any of the program that is running, then I can uninstall that particular program. So but in Linux and all those stuff, all you just need to do is to use a tool called Advanced Package Manager, Advanced Package 2. So it's a tool side. So this one you can be able to update. So once you click enter, you'll be able to update. So but me, I don't want to update because I just updated my operating system. So what update this update here does is just to help you copy out or give you the latest version of those programs that is running on your system. If there's any version, you can see the link here. This is this is the Kali Linux source list. This is where you will now go and go to their website and begin to pull out all the latest version um, of the programs that is running that's program that is running on your operating system or program that is in your repository. The one that is repository means like a Kali Linux library where it stores both stores programs that you might likely use, you understand? Yeah, so when you install them, you can go there and install them. Okay, so now use apt-get. So once the apt-get command here, the app-get, you can use app-get to so once we have updated them, you understand, you can now upgrade. So upgrading here is just like you are now downloading those latest version of the one that you copied. You understand? You copy the latest version from this source list here. This is the link. So if you open it here, you will see. So now this is the you now upgrade. So putting sorry is upgrade, not upgrade. So this command here will now help you to upgrade your software, those one that is running on your operating system. So you can upgrade. So it will ask me to enter. You see, so it will ask me if yes or no I want to upgrade. So, but I don't want to upgrade now because why? If I say let me upgrade, it's going to take a lot of time. So which we don't have on this video. So, but it's just like in your window, this starts saying in your Kali Linux operating system, you can click yes here. Once you type Y here, automatically you will start upgrading. So, but I'm not going to do that. Let me just do Control C and exit. So, another thing I'm going to show you here again that is very vital is, for example, let me say you are going to download or install a particular program, but the first thing before you want to go outside to go and download, or for example, you want to go to GitHub to download some, maybe some scripts for you to use to do your work or ethical hacking. So you first of all check if that thing is in your repository. Repository, I told you what repository is, just like a big a big book that contains your software that you might likely use. So first of all, let me use Synaptic. Synaptic is a software that gives you GUI experience to install other software, in your in your operating system. So, but first of all, let me check. If I type Synaptic here, if I type Synaptic, you understand, it's an executable file, oh, but if I type it here, you will discover that I can't execute the file here because why? It's not available. It's available in my operating system, but it's not ready for use. I've not installed it. It has not been installed. So what you just need to do is to for you to check if let me check first if Synaptic is available. So what I will now do here is to um is to use this app catch command. So you now search app catch, you search for synaptic. So once I click enter, you can see, so this is what I'm looking for, this synaptic. You can see a graphical package manager. So now let me install it. So for you to install in your operating system, you just use same apps, get, app get or apps. App get gives you more features than apps. So um so you just use the advanced package to now put install. All you just need to do is to click install and type the software or program that you want to install. So you just click enter. See, automatically it will start. It will not ask me if I want to install. You understand? So you can, if, on before you install, you can just add minus y, which is yes. You understand? So you will not have to prompt this one just to say automatically install. That's why you need to ask me a question. So now, see, do you want to install? Do you want to continue? I will not say yes. So once I click yes, so it will now start install downloading it. So it is very important for you to download the for you to update your system so that you can be able to get the latest version when you download that particular program. So you can see it's downloading. Yeah, so now you can see it's done. You understand? So it's done with the so as it's downloading, so when you install a program, it automatically install with its dependencies. You understand? And uh, so on and so forth. And also it will install together its configuration file. You get the point. So now another thing I want to show you here is uh okay, then let me just shorten the video from here. So maybe tomorrow I will show you other words, maybe how you can remove a file, push the configuration file, and all the rest. Thank you very much. If you are watching, please subscribe and follow. Click the notification bell and wait for more things to come. Thank you.